start off with this Lexus Rx300 that I'm working on. It's just in here for tires, but he has wheel locks, but we can't take them off. So what I gotta do is I gotta break them off, and I'm gonna show you the method that I use to take them off, and it works every time. So if you don't have a wheel lock remover kit, I'm gonna show you how to do it with some tools that you might already have. So let's get to this Rx300 and start taking off some wheel locks. First I'm gonna do is just get a chisel, and you see how it's smooth around here? I'm gonna give it a little bit of a rugged edge so that it's gonna give me somewhere to grip on. So this is what it looks like after you hit it for a little bit. Pretty much I don't want to have it smooth. I wanted to have the socket somewhere to grip on. So now we're gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna use this 12.19. It's a Craftsman, but lifetime warranty. So if anything happens to this, and this fits perfect over that wheel lock. So I'm gonna hammer it in there, and we're gonna give it a shot, see if it comes out. Works. All good. Socket still looks good, so you can still use it. Either way, it has warranty from Sears, so we can go change it if anything. Alright, so right now what I'm going to do is drain this out. First I'm going to take out the fill plug, and then I'm going to drain it. Well, that's all it takes. It's just to drain in from the differential. Super easy. This is a 2017 Toyota Tundra. Alright guys, so we got this 2017 Toyota Tundra SR5 with a 4.6, and it's just here for an oil change and a quick diff service. The good thing about this Toyota is that it's a quick drain and fill on the differential, and Oil change is not too bad. The filter is easily accessible. But what I want to show you guys is after we're done with the service is we have to reset the maintenance light, and I want to show you how to do that real quick. So let me show you. It's pretty much the same as any other Toyota. You're gonna have to turn the key on. You're gonna have to make sure that your odometer is set to trip A. You're gonna turn the key off. Then you're gonna hold this odometer trip button right here. You're gonna hold it at the same time. You're gonna turn the key to the on position, and then you're gonna see on your dash that it's gonna set resetting maintenance data. And once that message disappears, then you're all set. You're ready to go. You're ready to turn this truck in. And you want to do it because a lot of people, even if the maintenance light is not on, a lot of people will bring their truck in before the maintenance light comes on. And then what ends up happening is that if you don't reset it 500 miles down the road or 1,000 miles down the road, their light comes on and they're gonna start tripping because they just had their car service with you, and if it's not reset, then it's on you. So yeah, that's it. So let's see what else we got in store for us. That's it for this one. Oil change, diff service, and on to the next one. All right, what is up, guys? Sunday morning, back to work. So check it out. Originally, I thought that I was gonna get a lot of footage on Saturdays to film for you guys and have a good video, but turns out that Saturdays I'm so busy that it's hard for me to get some good footage and make a good vlog for you. So what this is gonna end up being is a 2-day vlog, as you can see, and yeah, I'm gonna try to make the best of it. So today's Sunday. I'm working on this 05 Silverado right now that the customer states it's overheating. So I'm out on a test drive right now, and so far I've got nothing. Car's not overheating. I mean, the truck's not overheating. I have a check engine light that's on, but he doesn't want to take care of it at the moment, so we're gonna leave that alone. He wants to fix the overheating issue, so we're gonna take it back to the shop. First thing I'm gonna do is check the coolant level. If it's good, pressure test it. Try to duplicate his concern and see when it is that the truck's overheating. We already did a couple of things to this truck, including a radiator, water pump, thermostat, a couple hoses. We gotta double check everything and make sure that everything's working properly, or obviously something's not because it's overheating. But let's go back to the shop, we'll figure it out, and then we'll get to work. So here it is, 2005 Silverado, check engine light, 227,000 miles on the odometer. But if you look at the temperature gauge right there on the bottom of the screen, it's dead in the middle at 210. Truck's not overheating, but gonna get out there, make sure the coolant level's good, pressure tested, make sure the fans are coming on, and make sure we got proper flow of the cooling system, and then we'll figure it out, sell it, fix it, and go on with our day. All right, so we're starting off with a quick pressure test, and right away what I saw, guys, down here is, check this out. You can clearly see that heater hose that goes into the thermostat. Actually, it goes into the water pump where the thermostat is. It's leaking, so we got to start off by changing that heater hose. Might change both of these since one already went out. The other one's probably going to be going out. What we've done to this car so far is a water pump, thermostat, put in a new radiator, and now it's time for heater hoses. So we're going to change these out, and after I change it out and we have no more leaks, I'm going to make sure that the car runs good and that the fans are actually working like they should. So let's get to work. I'm going to give this one a try. This one doesn't have any angles, it's pretty short, and hopefully it'll just open up and squeeze in there, and then we can get it out. Okay, it's in. I'm gonna pull it. See if you can see that. Oh shoot. Check this out. I fucking broke it. Fuck. Okay, let me show you what I did. Well, this one came out pretty good, but I broke the other one because it was all rusted. Let me show you what's going on there. This one on the left came out pretty good. So let me show you. So basically the tool goes in there, spreads those clips apart, and then you can just pull it out. The one on the right was all corroded. You can see right there, and I actually broke it. So I'm gonna have to get a new heater hose fitting for that. Not a problem, since this hose is coming out anyway. Okay, so check this out. This is a heater hose fitting that goes into the heater core back there. So basically what you do with this tool is you stick it in here, and it spreads the clips apart inside of there, and then you're able to pull it out. Once you push it back in, those are self-locking clips. You only need this tool to take it off. So if you guys want to get this tool, this is actually a Lyle master disconnect set. Hey, what up, Hector? 39900 master disconnect set. This is pretty old, but you can probably find a newer one, and it'll work for you. Just make sure you use the right fitting. You can see I was using the second one from the left right here, and that's the right size for these heater hoses, which actually is going to be the orange one if you have to get in there with an angle. So that's it. I'm just going to put these hoses back on, and then we'll top it off with coolant. Actually, I'm changing the thermostat too. I'll change the thermostat out, and then we'll ship it on its way out.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Later.
Well, that's it. It took a little longer than expected. Got that heater hose fitting in. Truck's running right now. Last thing you want to do is make sure that you get it to operating temperature. Make sure the thermostat opens. Make sure your fans turn on, and make sure the heater works. And after this, you can close the hood, give it a good test drive, and ship it. Make sure it doesn't overheat. And that's it. I think I'm gonna end the video right here. So if you guys made it this far, I want to thank you for watching. Also, if you guys like what you see and you got any more suggestions on what you guys want to see here in the vlogs, go ahead and drop it in the comments, and I'll try to make it happen for you guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.